Okay, so before you start sinking, your metal is pretty clean. It has no marks on it. And so the first round that you're going to do, we call it rounds whenever you do one complete hammering of the entire surface. All right? So the first round especially is really helpful if you have guidelines that go in circles that get smaller and smaller and smaller to help you kind of figure out where your hammer blow should be. So once you figure out the center of your metal, which is you can either go by coming in the radius and coming in the radius here, or doing 3 arc marks. Find that, and then you're going to use that as your guide. And what I do is I work my way out. So I'm going to make a smaller circle by making my compass smaller, and I'm just going to kind of spin it. And I know it's kind of hard to see. Like a turntable. Once I have one, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. And you know what? I'm going about a little less than ½ of an inch, about a ½ of an inch in between. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't have to be exact. It's just there to help you. You can go over this in marker if you want to, if you can't see them. But I'll probably put 2 on the outside that are a little closer together, because that's where you first hammer. So I got 1 more to go, and I'm not using a ruler to measure it, but you can if you want to be more precise. This is where you're going to notice where your high spots are, and we're going to worry about all that stuff later. Okay, so now you have some guideline marks to begin hammering.